Best smart home devices under $50. Complete budget buyer's guide. Best smart home devices under $50. Complete budget buyer's guide. Building a smart home doesn't have to drain your bank account. If you've been hesitant to jump into home automation because of the price tag, I have great news. There are genuinely useful smart devices available for under $50 that can make a real difference in how you live. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking to expand your setup or a complete beginner testing the waters, this guide will walk you through the best options available right now and help you make smart choices with your budget. The smart home market has evolved dramatically over the past few years. What used to be luxury items costing hundreds of dollars are now accessible to everyday consumers. Basic smart plugs, simple lighting solutions, and entry-level security cameras have all become affordable smart devices that actually work well. The key to finding the best budget smart home devices is knowing what to prioritize and understanding which categories offer the best value for your money. You don't need to spend a fortune to automate your home and enjoy the convenience that comes with it. Smart plugs are probably the easiest entry point into home automation, and they're perfect for budget-conscious shoppers. These small devices plug into your outlets and let you control whatever's plugged into them from your phone or voice assistant. You can turn off a coffee maker remotely, schedule lamps to turn on at sunset, or monitor how much power your devices are using. Most quality smart plugs come in under $30, and some even include energy monitoring features. This means you can actually see which devices are energy hogs and potentially save money on your electricity bill. It's a practical way to dip your toes into smart home technology without any complicated installation or setup. Smart lighting is another category where you can find excellent affordable smart devices that deliver real functionality. Basic smart bulbs have come down significantly in price, and you can now get reliable options for under $20 per bulb. These bulbs work with popular voice assistants and smartphone apps, letting you adjust brightness and color temperature from anywhere. If you're not ready to replace all your bulbs, consider starting with just one or two in the rooms you use most. Smart light strips are another budget-friendly option that can add ambience to bedrooms, living rooms, or entertainment spaces without breaking the bank. Smart speakers and displays have become incredibly affordable, and they're the brain of many smart home setups. Basic smart speakers with voice assistant capabilities are now available for under $50. And some even dip below $30. These devices let you control other smart home items using voice commands, play music, check weather and news, and set reminders. If you want a visual component, entry-level smart displays with screens are creeping into the under $50 range as well. Starting with one smart speaker is smart because it helps you understand whether voice control actually fits your lifestyle before you invest in multiple devices. Security and monitoring devices are increasingly affordable for budget smart home setups. Video doorbell cameras and basic security cameras have dropped in price significantly. You can find solid options under $50 that offer live video, motion detection, and cloud storage options. These cameras won't have every bell and whistle of premium models, but they'll let you see who's at your door or monitor a specific room. If you're concerned about privacy and prefer not to use cloud storage, look for cameras that support local storage options. Even budget-friendly security devices provide genuine peace of mind without requiring a major investment. Smart thermostats used to be expensive, but you can now find basic programmable options under $50. These devices let you schedule temperature changes throughout the day, which can save money on heating and cooling costs. Some budget models work with voice assistants, while others operate through smartphone apps. Keep in mind that installation might require basic electrical knowledge or professional help, so factor that into your decision. If you're renting or prefer not to replace your thermostat, a smart plug controlling a space heater or fan is a simpler alternative that still gives you remote temperature control. When you're shopping for affordable smart devices, compatibility is crucial. Most budget smart home products work with either Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, and many work with both. Before buying, check whether the device supports your preferred ecosystem. Also consider whether you need a hub or bridge device to make everything communicate properly. Some systems require a central hub while others connect directly to your Wi-Fi. Reading reviews from actual users is invaluable because they'll mention setup difficulty, reliability issues, and whether the device actually performs as advertised. Don't just look at star ratings, but read through comments to understand real-world performance. If you're looking to build a cohesive budget smart home setup, start by identifying which daily frustrations automation could actually solve. Maybe you want to stop forgetting to turn off lights. Or perhaps you'd like to adjust your thermostat without getting out of bed. Once you know what problems you're solving, you can prioritize which devices to buy first. A smart speaker paired with a couple of smart plugs and some smart bulbs creates a functional system that costs well under $200 total. You can always expand from there as you get more comfortable with the technology and understand what you actually use. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more budget smart home tips, product picks, and setup guides every week.